Hello, you guys. We are the software slayers. Today, we want to introduce a little something known as Pokemon. Have you guys ever played a game and felt that you guys wanted to become a Pokemon right afterward, but you didn't really know what to do because of all the stats and the other thoughts and factors that came with it? Well, we're here to introduce a random Pokemon generator. We help you guys take the extra precautionary steps of finding all these extra details for you, where all you have to do is produce us the name and the type. When we first started this, we started with the Kaggle data, and then we realized that the data on there was way too limited. So we took the liberty to make our own data by going onto multiple sites and scraping off from the web all the information about Pokemon, their types, and other factors including the boost sets.
And we utilize the first data set to sort of create stats for the Pokemon, like traits and attributes known as IVs, which basically just demonstrate how strong a Pokemon is. And then we also got another data set, which we got by merging two data sets, both from Kaggle. One of them has all the metadata for each Pokemon and their names and attributes such as their types and their height and weight. And then the other data set just included multiple photos for each of the Pokemon. And using this training data set, we were able to train a conditional generative adversarial network where we utilized a generator and discriminator. And using that, we were able to create more realistic images, which you'll see in a bit.
What we've done for this project was mostly try to use predictions for our past Pokemon data and see how this would affect future ones. We use random forest regression to determine how certain types can affect the stats and boost sets for any potential Pokemons and names that future users might want to.
And we did originally have 500 epochs in which we trained it 500 times, but we lost that file because corrupted, so we only got to train it 100 times. And so the images aren't as accurate as we would have liked it, but yeah.
Alright, so here's the demo video. It's going to take 30 seconds, so play quickly. By the way, here are the Pokemon actually generated. So if you input those names, types from the drop-down menu, and then if you input those heights, weights, then click the generate button. It will create a little card at the bottom that displays all the information on the Pokemon. The picture actually looks a little creepy, but yeah, so this is what we got.